Here's how to fix Microsoft Outlook not opening or working. First, open the Start menu and search for Outlook. Right-click on the Outlook app and select Run as Administrator. Then, check if Outlook opens normally. If that doesn't work, the next thing you can try is starting Outlook in safe mode. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. In the Run box, type outlook.exe/safe and press Enter. If Outlook opens in safe mode, the problem could be caused by one of your add-ins. To disable them, open Outlook, then click File at the top and select Options from here. From the left-hand side, click Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, next to COM add-ins, click Go. Now, uncheck all of the available add-ins and click OK. After that, close Outlook and try opening it normally again. If Outlook still won't open, the next step is to repair the application. Open the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Open it and find Outlook in the list of installed applications. Click the three dots next to Outlook and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair. Once the repair is complete, open Outlook again and check if the problem has been fixed. If Outlook is still not opening, you can try deleting the Outlook folder from your local application data. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Type %local_app_data% and press Enter. Now, find the package folder and open it. Look for the Microsoft Outlook folder. Right-click on it and select Delete. Once you've done that, try opening Microsoft Outlook again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.